Hello and welcome to this short presentation of the 3DL Profiles add-in for SolidWorks. 3DL Profile add-in for SolidWorks has been built to speed up weldment design, reduce costly errors, and automate repetitive tasks involved in structural modeling inside of SolidWorks. Simply choose the profile you want to use. Select the profile type from a drop-down list based on real, commercially available dimensions, and the 3D geometry automatically updates itself to match your selection. One of the key strengths of the 3DL Profiles add-in is the instant and reliable update of the geometry, weight, and custom properties. They're all updated at the same time, with no manual intervention required, eliminating all risk of inconsistencies. As you can see, without any manual input, the description and weight are always up to date on the bill of materials. An unexpected design change just arrived? That's alright. The 3DL Profiles add-in lets you modify a profile at any stage of the project quickly and safely. Let's do that together. Once we're back on the 3D model, simply choose a different standard, profile type, or size, and within seconds, the model is up to date with your latest changes. Now let's go back to the drawing. As you can see, the description is automatically updated to reflect the latest changes, and the weight is recalculated based on the selected material. In less than a minute, the profile has been completely changed and all related data is fully synchronized and up to date. Our latest addition, OptiCut 3DL, allows you to quickly generate a cut optimization report. It automatically scans your assembly, identifies every structural member, and creates an optimized cutting strategy to minimize material waste during production. We've opened a small assembly and we're going to generate the OptiCut report together. For each different profile used, the summary sheet includes a raw material number, a description, a stock length, the total required length for your project, as well as the total required quantity for that specific profile bar for your entire project. The cut plan sheet shows your optimized bar, clearly indicating cut lengths, cut origins, and taking into consideration saw curve allowance in between each of those cuts. The optimization logic always targets the lowest possible waste, ensuring each bar is used as efficiently as possible. Thank you very much for watching until the end. If you have any question regarding the 3DL Profiles add-in, please reach out to us via the Join Us section of our website.